Hey there, Takara here, CEO of Charisma Marketing. I wanted to take a moment to explain why we use Klaviyo exclusively for all of our e-commerce clients as our preferred email marketing platform. There are so many benefits to using Klaviyo, which was really built for e-commerce, and there's not many other email marketing providers that were built in that way. So I want to give you the 7 benefits that I see to using Klaviyo so you can make a decision of whether or not it might be a good choice for you. The first benefit is it's good to know that over 10,000 Shopify store owners have actually switched from MailChimp to Klaviyo in the past year. And with those people who have switched, they have reported seeing over a 46% increase in total revenue from their email marketing just from switching from MailChimp to Klaviyo. So you can see there's some massive benefits in revenue because, again, MailChimp is great if you are a service provider, or let's say you sell content, you're a content provider, a blogger, maybe you do digital products, but it's not built for e-commerce, where Klaviyo was built with some advanced tools and software that complement an e-commerce store really well, including Shopify. Number 2, my second benefit is it integrates with Facebook dynamic audiences seamlessly, and it gives you real-time and better matching for emails and phone numbers because it also does SMS marketing. So this allows you to retarget your customers with a lot more ease, especially in a post-iOS 14 update world where we are missing a lot of data from that Facebook pixel. What happens is now we can match back based on the emails and the SMS phone numbers that are in real time dynamically updated to custom audiences on platforms like Facebook. So this gives our marketing like that next level push that we really want to see. We want to see an omnichannel approach to marketing. It really helps us target things beyond even emails and phone numbers, such as active on site, opened an email in the last day, for example, browse abandonment, viewed a product. We can take those events within Klaviyo and dynamically update them to Facebook above and beyond what the Facebook events and pixel can do now, especially with iOS updates. So our retargeting has not suffered as much because we use Klaviyo. Okay, benefit number 3, it allows for advanced segmentation based on user behaviors on your website. So this goes way above and beyond anything something like MailChimp can do. So if someone, for example, bought a certain product or used a very specific coupon code or even browse, they could even browse and not even add to cart. As long as we have their email in our system, we can remarket to them. So it allows for very advanced and very customized customer journeys and segmentation, which gives us a very highly personalized experience with our brands and our clients and our customers. We can even segment and customize our pop-ups based on the user journey as well on these user behaviors on the website through Klaviyo that, again, MailChimp just simply cannot do. So that also leads to, of course, more revenue, more conversions, and a more highly personalized branded experience for your customers. Benefit number 4 is Klaviyo has very advanced reporting and data, and it's all very visual, very easy to see when you log in. They also give you benchmarks from peers within your industry. So if you're in fashion, you're going to see benchmarks for fashion brands, but not all fashion brands, because they have enough customers that they're going to give you benchmarks for brands that are very similar to yours. So in price range, in average order value, in list size, for example, and you're going to be able to figure out whether you're on target or you're not. You also get really advanced access through us because we're a Gold Master partner with Klaviyo to like higher level support and resources, which is really cool because it benefits actually all of our clients when we get to meet with, for example, we have a dedicated channel support rep for our clients. We have a partner success rep. Not every agency or business owner gets access to these types of tools with Klaviyo. You have to be with a Klaviyo Gold Master partner to access that. And so we are a Gold Master partner. Hopefully we'll get to Platinum, but there's very few Platinums in the world, but we're going to get there. Our team has sent over 1 billion emails for over 300 clients. We know a thing or two about email marketing, and I see that we may get there soon. They also have what's really cool cool in that arena, advanced predictive technology. So they can predict your customer's lifetime value per individual customer, things like potential churn risk for customers, the next purchase date, like if it's within the next 30 days, and so that you can market to them possibly in a different way. They can predict even if it's a male or a female. They can predict winning A/B split tests and so much more. So again, their analytics, their data, their predictive technology is far surpassing anything else that's out there right now. Number 5, in terms of branding, I personally love the design options and templates in Klaviyo. They are far more advanced and far more customizable than anything that, MailChimp or ActiveCampaign or Constant Contact, OmniSend has. I mean, your campaigns will look like professional e-commerce campaigns. They will be highly branded. They will look like all the other big brands out there. These templates, I think they have over 70 plus like plug and play templates as well, and flows that are on automation that any user can use and then highly brand and customize. So for me, the design elements, because e-commerce is really our focus in our agency, it just lets our clients brand themselves on a whole other level. And if you are really valuing your brand imaging and the professionalism and the aesthetic of your brand, then you're much going to prefer a email provider like Klaviyo for e-commerce. Okay, number 6, their pricing is actually fantastic. Now I know there's kind of like these rumors about Klaviyo being so expensive, but it's actually not true. Their pricing is really similar to MailChimp. Until you get to about 50,000 subscribers or more, Klaviyo ends up being a little bit more expensive, but we're talking about like $100, $200 more a month. When you have 50,000 subscribers, I promise you're making a minimum of 50 grand a month or more. That I know $100 for your email marketing in difference in cost is going to be nothing. It's such a tiny, tiny, small difference in cost. Actually, if you click below, you will get access to Klaviyo for free, up to 250 email contacts and 50 SMS subscribers. So if you want that free access, just click below. You can also test it out and see if you like it. But from there, the benefits of the increase in revenue, like we talked about, that 46% increase in revenue over using MailChimp. Let's say you're making $50,000 from email marketing, every month, and now you're gonna get a 46% lift in that over MailChimp. That's a big deal. You could make an extra $20,000. So who cares if you're paying an extra $100, $200 or more for Klaviyo versus MailChimp? You are investing in a very robust, professional e-commerce giant of a tool. So yeah, you're going to pay a little more for a better tool, but it's going to give you much, much higher returns. So think of it as, what do you want to invest in for your business? Where do you see your business? If you see your business as a 7-figure or 8-figure business, then you need to be investing in the right tools. And you won't really see any price difference until you get to about 50,000 or more subscribers. So at that point, you're a substantial brand, and the few extra $100 isn't going to impact you, and you'll be making more money to make up for that. So no big deal. And then number 7, my final benefit is that it integrates flawlessly for both email marketing and SMS marketing, which I love. So if you have an agency, if you choose us, or if you're doing it on your own, because it's all in one tool, there's not going to be any types of double emails and SMS, which is the quickest way to get someone to unsubscribe, right, and annoy your customers. But you can use both of these marketing strategies together to leverage your overall sales. In fact, Klaviyo customers who have both email and SMS, they see a 12% lift on average of their Klaviyo related revenue because they added SMS. And SMS is so inexpensive. It's just crazy inexpensive. I think it starts at $15 for 500 subscribers. So it's very affordable, and it integrates flawlessly and seamlessly into your pre-existing automation and flows. So you can say, hey, if this person didn't open this email then 2 days later or a day later, you can send them an SMS text instead if they sign up for SMS, for example. And the benefits of SMS is it's better matching for remarketing, let's say on things like Facebook or even TikTok, where all you get is a phone number. So if we want to be able to remarket to those people, we're going to need eventually their phone numbers. So if you're not yet using Klaviyo, you can now see all the benefits and why we as an agency use it exclusively with our e-commerce clients. If you want to test it out and play with it, if you don't have it yet, you can click below and you can access it completely for free, up to 250 email contacts and up to 50 subscribers. Just click the link below, or you can go to bit.ly/Klaviyo Marketing. That'll also get you there. And at least you have a chance to check it out and play with it. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope this was helpful in telling you why we use Klaviyo exclusively and how it helps us bring in millions, yes, millions in revenue for our clients.